now at Montgomery Park Scenic Reserve. Going up to the summit walkway, about 2 hours hike. It's near Little Rivers. Alright, cheers. Oh, this is a very rocky terrain, a lot of mountain rocks. There must have been a massive fire on this part of the mountain, because we are able to witness a lot of burned dead trees. I've now reached the summit of Montgomery Park Scenic Reserve, and now I'm at this place called the Tipapa. As you can see here, we are at the top of the mountain. Okay, I'm almost at the bottom now. Just to recap, this is one of the most challenging mountains I've climbed throughout the whole New Zealand vacation trip. Not because it's the distance, but because this morning and last night was raining heavily, and the rocks and the entire forest here is very muddy, so I almost slip and fall a couple of times. Alright, cheers.